Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Substack YouTube. First, go and log in to your account. For the first option, we will use it as a post. So click on this create button on the left panel, then choose post. Here, you can add a title for it. Now, for the YouTube video, go on the video that you want to share and click on the share button, then copy its link. Go back to Substack, then in here, paste the link that you copied. Then, Substack will automatically recognize the YouTube video and will integrate it to your post. For the second option, for seamless automation of uploading, you can connect Substack to YouTube directly. So here, go back to your Substack dashboard or home. Then, once in, on the left panel, go to your dashboard. Then in here, go to Settings on the lower left corner. Now in here, scroll down until you see Connected Accounts under Administration and go to it. Now, you'll have the option to connect Substack to YouTube, so go ahead and click on the Connect button. Now, choose your YouTube channel accounts and continue with it. Then, go ahead and select all for the access and continue. And there you have it. When you go again to your connected accounts, you will now see that your YouTube channel is now connected to it. And that's just basically it. That's how you use Substack YouTube. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.